बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की इस वीडियो में MS वर्ड के MCQs हम कवर करेंगे। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि नई वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सकें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। What does exit indicator on status bar of Microsoft Word indicate? It indicates whether the external text is pasted on document or not. It indicates whether extended add-ons are installed on MS Word or not. It indicates whether extended selection mode is turned on or off. None of the above. So the correct option is C. Which of the following is not a font style? Bold, italic, regular, superscript. So the correct option is D. Portrait and landscape are page orientation, paper size, page layout, all of the above. So the correct option is A. Which of the following is not a type of page margin? Right, center, left, top. So the correct option is B. Borders can be applied to cells, text, paragraph, all of the above. So the correct option is D. If you want to keep track of different editions of a document, which feature you will use? Editions, versions, track change, all of the above. So the correct option is B. What is the placed to the left of horizontal scroll bar? Indicators, view buttons, tab stop buttons, split buttons. So the correct option is B. Why drop caps are used in document? To drop all the capital letters, to automatically begin each paragraph with a capital letter, to begin a paragraph with a large dropped initial capital letter. None of these. So the correct option is C. Which of the following is not a valid version of MS Office? Office 2003, Office Vista, Office 2007, none of these. So the correct option is B. Pressing F8 key for 3 times selects a paragraph, a sentence, a word, entire document. So the correct option is B. What do you mean by vertical separation between columns? Orientation, gutter, margin, index. So the correct option is C. How can you insert a sound file in your Word document? From insert, then sound menu option. From insert, then file menu option. From insert, then object menu option. None of these. So the correct option is C. What is the default number of lines to drop for drop cap? 3, 10, 15, 20. So the correct option is A. In MS Word, to move the insertion point to the beginning of the next word, command used is Ctrl plus arrow key, Ctrl plus left arrow, Ctrl plus down arrow, none of these. So the correct option is A. Which shortcut key is used to spell check in Microsoft Word? F1, F2, F7, F9. So the correct option is C. In Microsoft Word, shortcut key Ctrl plus W is used for open the print dialog box, update the current web page, close the current window, none of these. So the correct option is C. What is the extension of files created in MS Word 97 and 2003? Dot, doc, dom, text. So the correct option is B. Graphics or word processor is peripheral, clip out, highlight, execute. So the correct option is B. What is the function of Ctrl+B in MS Word? It converts selected text into the next larger size of the same font. It adds a line break to the document. It makes the selected text bold. It applies italic formatting to the selected text. So the correct option is C. Which option in file pull down menu is used to close a file in MS Word? New, quit, close, exit. So the correct option is C. Which key should be pressed to start a new paragraph in MS Word? Down cursor key, enter key, shift plus enter, control plus enter. So the correct option is B. Which menu in MS Word can be used to change character size and typeface? View, tools, format, data. So the correct option is C. In MS Word, for what does ruler help? To set tabs, to set indents, to change page margins, all of the above. So the correct option is D. In MS Word, automatically moves the text to the next line when it reaches the right edge of the screen and is called carriage return, enter, or word wrap, none of the above. So the correct option is C. A character that is raised and smaller above the baseline is known as a raised, outlined, cap script, superscript. So the correct option is D. The feature of Word that automatically adjusts the amount of space between certain combination of characters so that an entire word looks more evenly spaced. What is that feature called? Spacing, kerning, positioning, scaling. So the correct option is B. Shimmer, sparkle text, blinking background, etc. are known as word art. Font styles, text effects, font effects. So the correct option is C. What are inserted as cross-reference in Word? Placeholders, bookmarks, objects, word fields. So the correct option is D. Which of the following are word processing software? WordPerfect, WordPad, MS Word, all of the above. So the correct option is D. How many columns can you insert in a Word document in maximum? 35, 45, 55, 63. So the correct option is D. Single spacing in MS Word document causes dash point line spacing 10, 12, 14, 16. So the correct option is B. How many different positions can you set for drop cap? 1, 2, 4, 6. So the correct option is B. Which file is responsible to start MS Word? win.exe, word.exe, winword.exe, none. So the correct option is C. अगर आप सिर्फ विन वर्ड लिख ले तभी MS वर्ड का इंटरफेस ओपन हो जाएगा. How many ways can you save a document in Microsoft Word? 3, 2, 1, 5. Correct option is A. What is the smallest and largest font size available in font size tool on formatting toolbar in MS Word? 6 and 72, 6 and 62, 8 and 72, 7 and 72. Correct option is C. What is the maximum font size you can apply for any character in MS Word? 160, 163, 1638, 16038. Correct option is C. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही काफ़ी है। इंशाल्लाह आपसे मुलाकात होगी अगली वीडियो में। तब तक इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।